Hello students, let's start with the next topic, that is double integrals in polar coordinates. In this method, what we do, the given integral is in x and y, we replace it in the form of r and theta. Okay, so the polar coordinates are theta of a point are related to Cartesian coordinate xy by the equations x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and therefore from this what will be r square is equal to x square plus y square. Now consider this x axis, y axis. Now for any point, okay, suppose this is the point, its x y coordinate are, this is x coordinate x y, okay, and what are y, r and theta coordinates. So this is r, distance from origin to this point, suppose this point is P, this is r and this is theta. So from this what will be x, so this is theta, what will be cos theta or what will be sin theta. From this what will be sin theta is equal to, suppose, so this distance is, if this is P xy, then this distance is x, this distance is y. So sin theta will be y upon r. And what is this r? From Pythagoras, r is equal to what? Square root of x square plus y square. Okay. And cos theta, what will be cos theta? That is cos theta will be x upon r. Okay. So from this we get here y is equal to r sin theta and x is equal to r cos theta. Okay. So to solve any integral equation in Cartesian polar coordinates, what we will do, we will replace x by r cos theta, y by r sin theta. Okay. And from this we will get dx dy will be r into dr d theta. So here then the region R in terms of polar rectangle is defined as, region R is r theta, where this r is between a to b and theta is between some c to d theta. Okay, there are some limits of r and theta. So how we change it? So let us solve examples of it, and remember one thing, that dx into dy is r dr d theta. Okay, how it comes, I will share one video with you related to it. Now let us solve example. Evaluate double integration over r 3x plus 4y square dA, where r is the region in the upper half plane bounded by the circles x square plus y square is equal to 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 4. Now let us evaluate this integral using polar coordinates. What is region R? R is in the upper half plane bounded by these two circles. This is circle with radius 0, with center 0, radius, center 0, 0, radius 1. Here center 0, 0, radius 2. Okay. So the graph will be like this, upper half plane. Okay. So first circle with radius 1. Okay, suppose this is 1, and second circle with radius 2. Okay, so consider, and it is what, bounded by these two circle means which area is given, this middle area. Okay, we have to solve this integration over this area. This is 2, x-axis, y-axis. Now look here, what is R? R varies from, radius varies from, now this given area is there, so radius varies from 1 to 2. Okay, R varies from 1 to 2. And what about theta? Now theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, this is up to this 0 angle, pi by 2 angle, and it is pi, angle pi. So theta will vary from 0 to pi. Okay, so let us solve it. Let I is equal to double integration over R 3x plus 4y square dA. Okay, R is the region bounded by circles x square plus y square is equal to 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 4. Okay, so now let us put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Therefore dx dy will be what? R dr d theta. Alright, so therefore I will be, I is equal to double integration 3 into x is r cos theta plus 4 y into r sin theta, its square is there, so r square sin square theta. dA means r dr d theta. Now here r varies from what? 1 to 2. R is equal to 1 to 2 and theta will vary from angle 0 to complete pi. So it is 0 to pi. Now let us solve this integration. So which is equal to, theta is equal to 0 to pi. Here multiply by r to this, so it will be r is equal to 1 to 2, 3r square cos theta plus 4r cube sin square theta dr d theta. First integrate with respect to r. So theta is 0 to pi. So 3 cos theta as it is, integration of r square r cube by 3 plus 4 sin square theta as it is, integration of r cube r is to 4 by 4 with limits r is equal to 1 to 2 d theta, which is equal to, theta is equal to 0 to pi, 3 will get cancelled, r cube cos theta plus 4 will get cancelled, r is to 4 sin square theta with limits 1 to 2 d theta. Now let us apply limits, which is equal to integration theta is equal to 0 to pi 8 cos theta plus 2 raised to 4, that is 16 sin square theta, then minus r is equal to 1, so that will be cos theta plus sin square theta d theta. Okay, so it will be, which is equal to, theta is equal to 0 to pi 8 cos theta minus cos theta, 7 cos theta, 16 sin square theta minus sin square theta plus 15 sin square theta d theta. Now integrate with respect to theta, which is equal to, now integration of cos theta, it is sin theta plus 15. Integration now. Now first of all we need to replace this sine square theta. We have the formula for cos 2 theta. So this sine square theta can be replaced by 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So this is theta is equal to 0 to pi 7 cos theta plus 15. Sine square theta is same as 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. Okay, and now let us integrate it. It is 7 sine theta plus 15 by 2 integration of 1 d theta, that is theta, minus 15 by 2. Okay, integration of cos 2 theta is sine 2 theta upon 2 with limits 0 to pi, which is equal to, so now apply limits, sine pi 0, then 15 pi by 2 minus this sine 2 pi will be again 0 minus, now put 0, sine 0 0, here sine 2 0 0, so minus what, here also we get 0. So our final answer is 15 pi upon 2. Okay, next example. Evaluate double integration over r x square y dA, where r is the top half of the disk with center origin and radius 5. So what is given, what is r? Top half of the disk, top half with center origin, radius 5, means center 0, radius 5, means r varies from 0 to 5, and it is top half means this complete part, so theta will vary from 0 to this angle, means theta will vary from 0 to pi. Okay, so let I is equal to double integration over r x square y dA. Okay, r is the region, or r is the top half of the disk with center origin and radius 5. What we will do next? Put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Therefore, dx dy will be r dr d theta. Therefore, I will be double integration x square. X is r cos theta, so r square cos square theta. Y is r sin theta. Then dA is r dr d theta. Okay, because in the function what we do here, double integration f of xy dx dy is same as what, double integration f of x is r cos theta, comma y is r sin theta, and dx dy is r dr d theta. Okay, so we replace this like this. And next, r varies from what? R varies from 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Theta varies from, it is complete top of the disk, so theta varies from 0 to pi. Okay, and now we will solve this integration. So it will be, which is equal to, integration theta is equal to 0 to pi, r is equal to 0 to 5, r square into r, that will be r raised to 4 cos square theta sin theta dr d theta. Which is equal to, so let us integrate with respect to r first. theta is equal to 0 to pi, integration with respect to r, this as it is, cos square theta sin theta, integration with respect to r raised to 5 upon 5, okay, these are constant, r raised to 5 upon 5, r varies from 0 to 5 d theta, which is equal to what? Theta is equal to 0 to pi. R is 5 means 5 raised to 5 upon 5, that is 5 raised to 4, that is 625 cos square theta sin theta into d theta. Now you can see here, what is derivative of cos square theta? It is minus sin theta. We can adjust it because minus sin, because sin theta is already here. So theta is equal to 0 to pi. Then this 625 sin theta can be replaced by minus sin theta. To adjust this minus sign, let us take minus sign here. This cos square theta d theta. Now derivative of cos square theta minus sin theta is, we adjust it here. Okay. Now let us integrate with respect to theta. So which is equal to this minus sign c 625. Okay. Integration of cos square theta, that will be cos cube theta upon 3. Okay, because its derivative is there and its limit is theta is equal to 0 to pi. Now let us apply limit minus 625 cos pi minus 1 and its cube is there, so minus 1, again minus cos 0 is 1, so here minus 1 upon pi is here because theta is here, so it is minus 1 upon pi. And the next will be, what will be the next? Sorry, here is its integration cos square theta, it is cos cube theta upon 3. Okay, so cos pi minus 1 cube minus 1 upon 3 minus cos theta, that is 1 cube 1 upon 3. So it is minus minus plus 625 upon 3 plus 625 upon 3, that is 1250 upon 3. Okay, our answer is 1250 upon 3. Next example is, evaluate double integration over r 2x minus y dA, where R is the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 and the lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to x. Now what is region R? R is what? It is region in the first quadrant. Okay, region in this first quadrant enclosed by circle x square plus y square is equal to 4, means radius 2. Okay, circle with radius 2. It is in the first quadrant, so this part only. Again, x is equal to 0 means y axis and y is equal to x means this straight line. Okay, so our region is, this is our region. X is equal to 0, it is in first quadrant, x is equal to 0. Okay, this part and this line. So this is our required region. Now what is R here? R varies from 0 to radius 2. So our R will be from 0 to 2. And what will be theta? Now it is this angle, here angle is theta is 0 and here it is pi by 2. So the middle part will be pi by 4. So our theta will vary from pi by 4 to pi by 2. Okay, pi by 4 to pi by 2. So let us solve it. So let I is equal to double integral over R 2x minus y dA. Okay, here region R is, region in first quadrant enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4, and the lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to x. Okay, means this region. So, okay, therefore r will vary from 0 to 2 and theta will vary from what? Pi by 2 to pi by 4. So let us put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Therefore I is equal to double integration 2 of x is r cos theta minus y is r sin theta into r dr d theta. R varies from 0 to 2, theta varies from pi by 2 to pi by 4. Okay, now let us solve this integral. First integrate with respect to r. So first multiply to this r to the bracket, theta pi by 2 to pi by 4, r 0 to 2, 2 r square cos theta minus r square sin theta dr d theta. So theta is pi by 2 to pi by 4. Integrate with respect to r. So 2 cos theta constant, integration of r square, r cube by 3, minus sin theta constant, integration of r square, r cube by 3 into what? D theta. And here limits are what? Square bracket, limits from 0 to 2. Now let us apply limits to r. So that will be is equal to integration theta is pi by 2 to pi by 4. Apply limits 2. So 2 cos theta 2 cube, that is 8 upon 3, minus sin theta 8 upon 3, and minus will be 0. Okay, into d theta. Now integrate with respect to theta. So it is 2 into 8 by 3, that is 16 by 3. Integration of cos theta is sin theta minus 8 upon 3. Integration of sin theta is minus cos theta. So minus minus will be plus, and limits theta is pi by 2 to pi by 4. Now let us apply limit 16 by 3 sin pi by 4 plus 8 by 3 cos pi by 4 minus 16 by 3 sin pi by 4 minus 8 by 3 cos pi by 4, which is equal to 16 by 3. What is sin pi by 4? It is 1 upon root 2 plus 8 by 3. Cos pi by 4 is also 1 upon root 2 minus 16 by 3. Again, sorry, here must be sin pi by 4 cos pi by 4. Here is lower limit is sin pi by 2 cos pi by 2. Okay, so here minus 16 by 3, sin pi by 2 is 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. Okay, so it will be what? This is 16 plus 8, that is 24 by 3, means 8. Okay, 24 by 3, 8 upon this root 2 minus 16 upon 3. Okay, this is our answer. Here is one correction. What is theta? So here is in first quadrant, theta is from this to this part. Here is theta is what? Pi by 4, and here theta is pi by 2. So lower limit of theta is pi by 4 and upper limit of theta will be pi by 2. Okay, so here that change will be there, pi by 4 to pi by 2. Okay, means this pi by 2 this will be plus, and lower limit it will be minus. Okay, so accordingly this will be minus, okay, which is equal to minus, and here plus, okay, here sign plus. So the next change will be minus 16 minus 8 minus 24 upon 3, that will be minus 8 upon root 2, okay, and here is plus 16 upon 3. Okay, so this is about polar coordinates. Let's stop here. In next lecture we will solve some more examples. Thank you.